So hello everyone, welcome back to our new video on SQL tutorial Ebikacho by Ebikacho Groups, and this is the master SQL in 5-minute video. So we will take you through whole process of SQL and how it work and what are the things we can do. So basically in SQL we have commands like DML command, DCL command, DDL command and DQL command. So DML command is the data manipulation language command used to manipulate the data of a table. So here we have the select, insert, update and delete. For inserting record into table, we have the insert command. Update, for updating any column, we have the update command. And for deleting any record from the table, then we have the delete command. And then we have the DQL, data query language command. For querying a table or a view, we have this particular command and we can use select here. So for selecting a single column or a specific column, we can mention the column name and then the from table. And for selecting all the records from a table, then we can mention the select star from the table name. And here we have the order by clause. So if you want to order our result by a specific column, then we can use order by column name and ascending or descending, ASC or DESC. So ascending is by default and DESC we need to mention explicitly. And then we have the group by command. So if we want our result to be grouped by a certain column and the result should come in by grouping by a certain column, then we can use the group by command. And for filtering, while using the group by command, we can use the having clause. And we have the aliases. So if we want our column name to be changed while doing the select, then we can use the alias for that. And then we can apply the in where clause, we can apply the operators like comparison operator, we have logical operator, we have between, like, in, any, all, exist. So these operators we can apply with where clause to filter our results. And then we have the joins in DQL. So join, we have four kinds of join: left join, right join, full join and inner join also. And then in DQL only we can use the aggregate functions like average, sum, count, mean, max. And then we have a Windows function. So Windows function are like over, row number, rank, lag, lead, entile, dense rank. And then we have the DDL command, data definition language command. So here this is used for defining the data of a table or creating a table. So we have the create, alter, drop, truncate. So for creating a table or database, we can use the create command. And for altering the data into that table, like adding column, removing column, modifying the table name or column name, we can use the alter command. And then we have the drop. For dropping a table or database, we can use the drop command. And then truncate, for truncating the results from a table, we can use the truncate command. And then we have the DCL, data control language command. For granting permission to a particular user or for revoking permission from a particular user, we can use the DCL command. Now move on to the next slide. So here we have the data definition language command. As you can see, we have create. So create, syntax for create is create table, table name, then column 1 name, data type, column 2 name, data type, and so on. Then we have the drop command. So drop table and table name, it will drop the table. And then we have the alter command, alter table, table name, add column, column name. For adding a column, we can use this particular command. Then we have the truncate command. So using the truncate command, we can truncate the table, like truncate table, table name. And let's move on to the next slide. So here we have the DML, data manipulation language command. Okay, so here we have insert. For inserting record into a table, insert into table name, column 1, column 2, and then values. So as much column we will mention here, as that much value we need to provide in the values part. Okay, then we have the update command. So for updating any column value or something, we can use the update command. So this is like update table name, set column name that you want to update, and then the condition in where clause. Okay, then we have the delete command. So delete from table, for deleting any record according to a given condition. So we can use this particular command, delete from table name where condition. And then move on to the next slide. So here we have the TCL, data control language command. So for granting or revoking permission from a particular user, we can use either grant or revoke. So grant permission name on object name. So object name is the table view or SP, database object, to the username. And then revoke permission name on object name from username. And after this we have the TCL, transaction control language. So whenever we are performing any transaction, we have this particular command like commit. We can commit all the records, we can roll back all the records, and we can save our record on a certain point by using the save point command. And then we have the DQL, data query language command. So here for selecting all the columns from the table, select star from table name. And for selecting particular columns, we can use select column name, column 1, column 2 from that particular table name. Thank you for watching, my friends. And this is the overview of SQL Server and how you can perform in SQL Server. So this is the best video for your interview preparation and going through all the concepts from for interview perspective. And like, share, and subscribe. And many more videos are coming. Thank you very much.